Hi, can your baby hear what you say? OAE is a newborn hearing test, done in few minutes, helps in identification of hearing problems in newborn stage itself. It is a simple pain-free procedure done in few minutes and economically feasible, used for early identification of hearing loss in newborn infants, as early as immediately after birth, and is recommended by WHO. Most of hearing loss causes can be treated. If identified early, your child's future is in your hands, as speech is important for better lives. So, parents, please, do not forget to get your newborn baby screened for hearing.